Hi, I'm Cory Czekaj, and I'm here with Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to my course, Lab Work for Animatronic Characters, Part 2. As a lab technician, you're asked to do a variety of things at any given time in the shop environment. It might be running foam, might be running silicone, creating cores, you name it, is what we're trying to cover today. First, we're gonna run a silicone skin, and part of that lesson is showing you how to glue down pantyhose reinforcement for the skin. Finally, we're gonna run a set of upper and lower dental acrylic teeth. What I hope you guys take away from this lesson today is a variety of skills. You might have to jump around in the shop doing a variety of things, and hopefully this has gotten you a good start to show you how to do a little bit of everything that'll help your team create an animatronic character. There's a lot to show you guys today, so let's jump right in.